Hi there. A unique identifier column in SQL Table stores GUIDs, 128-bit values that are unique, not just in your table, but across the entire world. Let's learn how to create one in an SQL Server Table. In SQL Server Management Studio's Object Explorer, right-click the desired table and select Design. Then, in the Designer window, right-click and select Indexes keys. In the dialog box, click Add to create a new entry. From the right, select the column you wish to make unique. Change is unique property to Yes. Then set type to Unique. Click Close and save the table. Now, in the Object Explorer, expand the table's index folder to verify the new unique key entry. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this.